Welcome back, guys. We'll be doing an unboxing today. This is an item I paid for. I bought it on eBay. It's True Power 20 ounce high volume low pressure gravity feed spray gun. I saw a video on this and it seems pretty good. So I bought it. It was $19 free shipping, and I'm gonna see. I opened it already. Here's the gun right there. I mean, can you expect much for $19? I mean, we're talking like Harbor Freight quality here. But there's the thing. Got a bag of parts, and that bag which goes in. You got the pressure valve there. Got the cup right here. I mean, I don't know. I'm planning on painting a 84 Chevy K20 long bed with this single cab, and 1980s Ford 7610 tractor. So, I mean, I'm not looking for show quality here by any means. I mean, I really haven't done that much auto body paint. I've spray painted, but I haven't really used one of these that much. So, looks like a bunch of spare parts and different size nozzles, it looks like. Oh, and a cleaner. They even provide a cleaner for it. Gonna make a mount for it. I don't know what that's gonna be. Would like it to be like that. So we're gonna get this. Come over here. Turn, you guys. Been getting better with my camera quality or video quality. I mean, I don't know. It's gonna work. But I'm gonna try it and see. Or should I put it? So that needs like that. Or should I put it like up there? Show you guys. Like up the maybe I can put you guys on the workbench. Let you guys see. Okay. Pretty good. Too many ideas, guys. Too many ideas. Or I could get that race. Could do like that. Or I could just take it apart. Do something like that. Like that. Come in here. And then do like that. I want this top one to be more like that. Right there. That. Something like that. Like that. And then what we do, another one. Do something like that. Like that. Or smash my finger. Something like that. Like that. Push that back. Put that right there. That little valve up there and that little baggie. I might be able to make a mount or something for that thing the paint goes in, but yeah. Man. But that's gonna be it today, guys. Been working on the little shed and that tree project. If you haven't watched the videos, and we'll be using the Bad Dog grinding wheel pretty soon for the 580. You got to build a thing for it, but until next time, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm a one-man crew. I mean, trying to do YouTube as a job, but you know how that goes for those that do YouTube as a job. I mean, the more you share the videos, the more it helps me out. I mean, my goal when I started this channel is I didn't want it to become a job, but I got really popular, so now it's kind of a job. I could use extra money for projects and stuff, is to help people. Because before YouTube, I have a repair shop, but some people can't afford the repair shop, even though I'm the cheapest within the Pacific Northwest. I repair dirt bikes, go-karts, all that, and had really good customers, and decided to go the YouTube route. And on YouTube, I basically help people for free, and I do my best. I'm not a professional videoer, but try to do my best, and trying to get a little more popular, planning on hitting 100K subscribers. That would be really awesome if I did it, because then you give you a plaque, and it'd be nice to have a plaque. But yeah, I mean, the Odyssey gas tank, I'll probably clean it out tomorrow. Look at it. Gotta do some welding on the bottom though. And then gotta finish up a couple things on the brakes on the back, and then assemble it and put some fresh premix in it, and see what happens. And the lawn tractor, I might take the motor out of my generator, which is a 500cc electric start, because I don't use my generator. Got other generators, but mine's a big 12,000 watt generator, so I haven't used it in probably, let's say, over a year by now, so I'm probably just going to pull the motor, take the thing off until I get a different motor for a tractor, good tractor going. The Ford, it's been doing really well. I mean, it does smoke a lot, but it's a pretty old tractor, so I expect it smokes a lot. But we got to fix a hydraulic leak on the back, so it stops the leak in the dog food, so we get the loader to work in the 3-point. And yeah, if you can, please share my videos. I got almost 1,500 videos on YouTube to date, so feel free to check out the channel. I got everything from RC car videos to working on pickups, to working on tractors, to working on ATVs, to driving ATVs. So feel free to check out the videos and let me know what you think. And that's going to be it today, guys. So thanks again, and catch you on the next one.